Today we wanted to give you just a sneak peek of 3 of the trends.
We're going to do a sham noodle. Oil in, onions, and we're going to drop the rice noodles in now as well. Next in, I'm going to put the chicken, some of the gustoso sauce, a little bit of chilli. So we're just going to put a little bit of coriander on there. First dish, piri piri chicken meatball. Put that onto the stove. Then I'm going to add some smoked paprika, cumin, and the chipotle paste. With the sweet potato wedges, I'm just going to add some chopped chili. So I'm just going to make the salsa. We've got the creolo peppers, we've got the sweet potato wedges, the meatballs, salsa there. Finish it with a nice bit of coriander. Very berry crumble. Put the lemon curd through the custard. This is a fruit mix. Next, the crumbles, lemon curd custard. So round the rim. A little bit of the syrup. There you go, that's all yours.